Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Start by going into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose sound and vibration. After that, click on phone ringtone and vibrate, and over here you can switch on or off vibration vocals by tapping on the switcher next to also vibrate vocals. When you're ready, click on the back button, scroll all the way down and tap on more sound settings. Then turn on or off vibrations on touch by tapping on this switcher here. Lastly, click on haptic feedback vibration duration and adjust intensity of them by swiping left or right. If you wish to cancel your changes, click on cancel. If you wish to save them, tap on OK. And if you wish to go back into the default ones, just click on default. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!